Very good morning, students. Welcome back to second year physics. So, in the previous class, actually we finished about a related to the EMF of a cell and terminal voltage and charging cell and discharging cell is finished. Let us now we'll move to the next topic, that is about a combination of a cells. Like we know combination of resistors and we know combination of capacitors. Like that only in this same situation again we have in the combination of a cells. Actually in this combination of cells there are three types of combination of cells are there. One we can say series combination, one more we can say parallel combination, and additionally another one is there in the combination of cells, that's we can say mixed group of cells. Mixed group, that means mixed in the sense is in that mixed group both series and parallel will be there. So let why the combinations are required. So why combination of cells are required? Actually if a single cell, if I use a single cell, see by using a single cell it may not be sufficient to get a large EMF and large current if I use a single cell. That's what here we are using the combinations. If I required a large amount of current and large amount of EMF, there actually we require the combinations. Single cell is may not be sufficient to get large EMF, to get large current. So instead of using single cell, here they require a combination of cells. So that in this combination, there are three types of combinations are there. One we can say series combination, second one we can say parallel combination, third one, this is additional one, mixed group. Clear? So we'll move to the first one about a series combination. Sir, what will happen in the case of a series combination, right? So that in this series combination, here it is, in general, here we need to get a in all combination we need to get a what? Here it is to be we should get an A. See, in case of a series combination, actually we need to get so come to the point is in this series combination, let us you take a first one series combination. In this series, let us number of cells which are connected in the series. Of course we know, like you take a one cell, EMF is E1 and your internal resistance is R1, and another cell which are joined, like first cell of a second terminal, it is to be connected to the second cell of a first terminal, that is negative is to be connected to the positive terminal, and the next cell the positive negative, the positive negative, which is to be connected in the series like this. Therefore the first cell of a first terminal and the last cell of a second terminal are to be connected to the external resistance capital R. In this we say R2, R3, R4 and so on up to Rn because there are n number of cells are connected. Like in the same way EMF also it is to be like this, because which are in the series. No? When series is nothing but what happens, there will be a potential difference is same. In case of a series, what will happen, there will be a potential difference is same. So that here we need to get a what now, the total EMF, that is we can say first one total EMF, that is here is nothing but what happens, it is equivalent EMF is equal to E plus so on up to is equal to NE, because which are in the series. Now go for the resistance, that is internal resistance, no? So that Rs is equal to R plus so on up to it is equal to Rn, because there are n number cells are connected in the series, and therefore their internal resistance are in series, no? So that it is Rn. What will be the total effective resistance? Because this all internal resistance are connected to the external resistance in series. This all internal resistance are connected to the external resistance in series. So that you say capital R plus Rn. This is about a R effective. Now here we need to find a current, that is total EMF by, we can say, total current, right? I mean total EMF by total resistance. I mean to say total resistance, that is R effective. So I is equal to, what will be the total EMF? That is NE by total resistance will be capital R plus Rn. So this is in case of a series combination. When the cells are connected in a series, therefore the total current will be NE by capital R plus Rn. R is the capital R is the external resistance, small r is the internal resistance. In this, let us, first case I want to say capital R is very greater than NR or Rn. It is capital R is greater than Rn. So that this Rn is neglected. We can neglect it. So that I is equal to NE by capital R is the 1. And come to the point is, suppose if second case Rn is greater than capital R, so that capital R is neglected. These are the cases which we can say like this. I is equal to NE by this Rn, so that it is cancelled. I is equal to E by N. So this is about a series combination. In case of a series combination, this is will be what happens related to the total EMF, or we can say total current is nothing but a total EMF by R effective. In case of a series combination, if number of cells are connected in the one after the another, so which is shown in the figure like this, this we can call as the series combination. Therefore the total current will be, it is I is equal to, we can say like this, total EMF by total resistance. So this is related to what we can say. In case of a series combination, we can conclude like this, right? Now let us see. I want to say in this, in series combination, there is another one is there related to like wrongly connected cells. Sir, what is mean by wrongly connected? Of course, wrongly connected in the senses we can say, see, there will be a wrongly connected cells. Wrongly connected cells, right? Sir, what is mean by wrongly connected? That mean you, in general, all cells are to be connected one after the another. No? In this situation, positive terminal is to be connected to the next cell to the negative terminal. So that the next positive terminal is to be connected to the next negative terminal. That means it is a correct connections we can say. But whereas now I am saying about a wrongly connected. Wrongly connected in the senses, there are n number cells are connected. Suppose I want to say there will be n number cells are connected. N number cells are connected in series. Say, look at, this is the way which we can see the connections without any mistake it is. Clear? Because negative is to be connected to the positive, again negative is to be connected to the positive, again negative is to be connected to the positive, like this it is so on. Here without any mistake, the total EMF of this one is we can say NE. Out of n cells, so what I mean to say, out of n cells, there will be m, small m number cells are connected in wrong. So that you take again, say like it is, these are correct connections. Now I am giving, say look at, this is negative, no? Now you connect a like negative, or else from here only you take negative. It is positive is connected, again positive, negative, say negative, positive, positive, and again negative, say like it is to be connected. So this we can say mistake it is, wrongly connected. These cells we can say m number cells are connected out of n. Out of n number cells, there will be m number cells, small m number cells are connected, mistake, wrongly connected. For this what happens, ME it is. The EMF, because there are m number cells are connected wrongly. So that the total EMF will be n minus m into E. for this situation. Because out of n there will be m number are connected wrong, no? Therefore you subtract total n, you subtract whatever number you connected wrong, no? That you subtract from the total. So that will get the what? N minus m into E. Now here we need to find a what again? I is equal to total EMF by this total resistance, of course. Sir, what will be the total EMF? Of course the total EMF will be, we can take like this in this. See, there will be a total EMF, we can take like this. See, the effective EMF will be, or the total EMF will be, we can take like this. That is about a n minus m into E minus me it is. So that it is Ne minus Me minus Me, right? So that Ne minus 2Me it is. So from this you take a common is E. This is will be total EMF. Of course, it is will be total EMF it is. Clear? Now come to the point is total resistance also we need to find. So that the total resistance will be what happens in this case, there will be a total resistances. There are each and every cell resistances R, internal resistance R, and it is to be connected to external resistance, no? So that you see total resistance, that is we can say effective, R effective is equal to capital R plus Rn, because the internal resistance are remains same, no? For all cells it is the internal resistance is same. Now you take a total EMF by total resistance. This is will be total EMF and this is will be total resistance. So now here you substitute I is equal to total EMF will be n minus 2m into E by total resistance will be capital R plus Rn. This is when the EMF of cells are wrongly connected. If there will be wrongly connected cells, for that wrongly connected EMF will be what happens? I is equal to n minus 2m by capital R plus Rn into E. This is about a when there are cells are wrongly connection or wrongly connected cells, the total current will be, we can take like this. This is what it is about a the cells which are connected in the like in wrong connections. Clear, no? Now let us, we'll move to the next combination is that is we can say about a parallel combination, right? We'll see about a parallel combination. Before parallel combination, I want to see the problems. If any problem is there on the basis of the cells, when we'll finish it, then after we'll see the parallel combination, right? Sir, open the materials. Actually, we can see like problems. Long answer type questions. In this there is no problem. So on the basis of this, the exercise also there is no problem, right? No problem. So let us will move to the next combination, that is about a parallel combination, right? See here in case of a parallel combination what will happen? Let us will move to the parallel combination. It is a second combination, parallel in the sense is like resistance only which are to be connected in parallel, right? See, we can say like this, parallel combination, next one, that is if there are number of cells, you take a cell EMF, this cell is EMF, this cell is EMF, this one is EMF. So this all positive terminals are to be connected at one point like this, and all negative terminals are to be connected at other end, and these 2 points are connected to the external resistance capital R. EMF will be E, and internal resistance are R1, R2, R3 and so on, right? Sir, what will happen? Of course, in case of a this series combination, again we need to find I is equal to total EMF by total resistance. See, this is we need to get, right? Total EMF will be, see, of course, in case of a parallel combination, the EMF R remains same, right? Because the potential difference in case of a parallel combination remains same, no? So that you say the total EMF will be E plus E and so on up to E, remains same. What will be the resistance? Here we have both external is there as well as internal is there. So let us first you write about a internal resistance. Internal resistance, because which is in the parallel combination, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R plus so on N by R. So Rp is equal to R by N because it is in the parallel combination. Now this external internal resistance is to be connected to the external resistance in parallel. So that you write here effective resistance will be capital R plus R by N. This is the total resistance. Now you write directly total EMF. I is equal to total EMF will be, we say it is E by, right, capital R plus R by N. So I is equal to NE by capital NR plus small r, because you take an LCM NR, then denominator N is there, no, that will come to the numerator, it is becomes like this. It is about a, in case of a parallel combination, so which we can say like this. In this again the cases, suppose if capital NR is very greater than small r, so there will be what happens, this small r can be neglected, right? And here I is equal to N E by N R, so E is equal to capital R. And come to the second one, if I say small r is greater than NR, so that NR can be neglected, we can neglect it like this. So I is equal to NE by small r. So these are the cases in case of a parallel combination. So which we can say parallel combination like this, because which are connected to be like this. So last group, that is about a mixed group. In this mixed group there will be a combination, I will show you like it is. See, mixed in the senses there will be a both series and parallel combination will be there. About a series and parallel group, right? So mixing of both series and parallel combination. Let you come to the point is, right, come to the point is, in this mixed group, see, in this mixed group is nothing but a, see, this is contains a both series as well as parallel combination. Sir, how? Let us, I want to see, you take a one combination which is in the series, right? This is the EMF of cells which are connected in the series. For this internal resistance, because there are n number are there, no? So that the series combination, the effective internal resistance will be, we can say Rn, right? This is the one group. As well as we know the EMF also NE, right? It is the one set. Like you take another set, again you take a one more set, yes. Again you write here, like same only, EMF will be NE and internal resistance will be NR. Like here you take another one, like you take a like this number of like a series combination sets, that is another last one I am saying. See, which is to be given like this. There are m rows, there are m number I am saving. M number, it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to m group. M are connected. Again you take it is a NE is the EMF and this is Rn is the internal resistance. Now this set, you see this is a one set and it is a second set, third set, fourth set. So this set you see clearly they are in the series. Like you go for the second set also they are in the series. Like this, yeah, we are connecting the m number, small m number are connected like this. This all points are to be connected to at one point, which are in the parallel like this. So this we can call as the mixed group, because you look at both are there, series is there as well as the parallel combination is there. So that we can call as the mixed group. That's what we can say, mixed group. Now let us, how many are there now? Total number cells. Total number of cells, that is capital N is equal to M into N, of course, because M are connected in parallel, N are connected in series. So now we need to find a total current, that is I is equal to, again same, total EMF by total resistance, right here. So that here we need to write a first EMF. So that what will be the EMF, sir? That EMF will be, we can say the total EMF will be, we can say it is a NE, right? Total EMF will be NE, of course. Total EMF, because which are in the same, no? NE which are in the parallel, no? EMF is equal to NE it is. This is over. Sir, what will be the internal resistance? Of course. See, internal resistance will be which are in the series, no? Therefore you say NR. See, each set is NR which are connected in the parallel. So that now effective resistance in case of a parallel, NR plus up to M by NR are connected, right? This is what there will be M number groups are connected in the like it is in parallel, right? So that now you write here effective resistance Rp is equal to, it is NR by small m. Clear? Now what will be the effective resistance? Total effective resistance, capital R plus NR by small m. Now there you substitute total EMF NE, total resistance is capital R plus NR by M. So that the final will be I is equal to total EMF is NE by total resistance is capital R plus NR by small m. So I is equal to, here you take LCM, NME by MR plus NR it is. This is will be the mixed group of combination, mixed group. So in this mixed group, let us NM is nothing but a capital N, right? I is equal to capital N E by MR plus NR it is. This is for mixed group. Capital N is nothing but a number of cells. Number of cells, that is M are connected in the parallel, N are connected in the series. So one we can say rows, one more we can say columns. Says some are connected in the columns, some are connected in the series, like a rows. So that the total will be capital N, that capital N is equal to what happens? Small m into N. So this is what it is related to the mixed group of combination of cells. So there are three combinations, one is a series, one more is a parallel, one more is a mixed group. So these are related to the combination of cells. Is it okay? Clear, no? And here on this actually we have other also, based on this we don't have any problems. So that we'll continue the next topic by using this, because it is almost about a combination of cells is finished. Clear? So this today's class, and we'll continue with next class with continuation topic. Is it okay? This is about today's class. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next class.